Have you ever wondered how your body creates proteins? Let's break down the process of protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is how cells build proteins, which are essential for nearly every function in your body. It all starts with DNA, which contains the instructions for making proteins. The process has two main stages, transcription and translation. First, in the nucleus of the cell, transcription takes place. During this stage, a section of DNA known as a gene is copied into a messenger molecule called mRNA. The mRNA carries the genetic information from the DNA out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm, where it's ready for the next step. Next comes translation, which occurs in the ribosomes, the cell's protein-making factories. Here, the mRNA is read in sets of 3 bases, called codons, each of which codes for a specific amino acid. tRNA, another molecule, brings the correct amino acids to the ribosome, where they are linked together to form a protein chain. As the ribosome moves along the mRNA, it assembles a protein amino acid by amino acid until the whole chain is complete. Once the protein is finished, it folds into its final shape and gets to work in the body. That's how protein synthesis works, transforming genetic code into functional proteins. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to AI Explains It All for more quick insights into the fascinating processes happening inside your body.